赢得2023年索尼世界摄影奖
Sony International Photography Award.
In 2023, Boris Eldagsen made history, refusing a world-class photography prize because his winning image was AI-generated. Artist, digital strategist, philosopher. One of the most recognized voices in the global debate on AI imagery and video. His work blends theory and practice, challenging audiences to rethink creativity, authenticity, and human agency in the AI era. Called the poster boy of the AI debate by Süddeutsche Zeitung, his image, Pseudomnesia, the electrician, was hailed by The Guardian as the photo that stopped the world. With over 25 years of teaching creativity worldwide, Boris is a sought-after expert since 2022 on AI-generated images and video. He's also a creative partner and beta tester for many of the world's leading AI companies, giving him a first-hand view into where the technology is heading. He has spoken at TEDx, Republica, World AI Conference Shanghai, C2 Montreal, and teaches AI for creatives at L'Ambassade in Barcelona. His keynote themes explore how humans and AI can collaborate effectively. Backed by research, he asks, who leads, human or machine? Can AI boost creativity or dilute it? 60-plus keynotes, 120-plus workshops, 280-plus media interviews. From Buenos Aires to Melbourne, Boris provokes new ways of thinking about creativity. Audiences agree. Clear, provocative, engaging, challenging the future of creativity.